Hello friends, it's Miss Kristen with the Cambria County Library. Do you like playing with trains? Me too! Let's read this fun story together about a very special train. If you're ready for this story, clap your hands. Choo-choo! Here we go. Steam Train, Dream Train. Next stop, Christmas. Far away, one tiny light glimmers through a silent night. Slowly flying into view, something big is coming through. A cold wind stirs as it draws near. Bells start ringing loud and clear. Machine and steam and iron roar. This night's not quiet anymore. The engine squeals to a stop. A hiss of steam puffs out on top. The crew stands ready on the side to load up for a special ride. The workers know their tasks by heart, for when each new December starts, the Christmas train takes to the air, transporting magic everywhere. They quickly load the secret freight, every package, box, and crate, into all the different cars, lined up beneath the midnight stars. The whistle blows, the crew jumps in, an epic journey can begin. A mighty engine in the lead, the train starts rolling, gaining speed, heading deep into the night. Then, lift off, the train takes flight. On the tanker cars, the crew mixes a delightful brew. They stir in some vanilla beans, cinnamon, and evergreens, then chocolate and some peppermint, oranges, cloves, and just a hint of magic ladled out with care, sending sweet scents through the air. Through open windows, chimney tops, cozy kitchen baking shops, the fragrance wafting in the breeze blends with Christmas memories. With every scent, hearts are lighter, spirits lifted, smiles brighter. Now comes music streaming through the gondola and well cars too. Christmas songs from all the lands are played by orchestras and bands, with instruments all different types, from horns and drums to strings and pipes. And then the singers join along, each lifting up their voice and song. The train crew fans the music down, each note floating towards the ground. The melodies blow in the breeze, across the ocean, through the trees. Joy swirls through each street and town as Christmas music circles round. The hoppers glow with lovely things, all the beauty Christmas brings, shimmering and golden bright, dazzling, glittering in the night. Strings of light shine in the sky with Christmas trees all flying high, and decorations red and green, and wreaths and candles in between. As each hopper gently glides, sparkles overflow the sides, and golden glitter flutters down on every avenue in town. The world will wake to dazzling sights of festive frills and glowing lights, where every bauble, bow, and strand creates a Christmas wonderland. Precious boxes neatly packed ride upon the auto rack. And as each ribbon is untied, the crew releases what's inside. Warm Christmas feelings flutter by, then fall like feathers from the sky. And very soon that cargo starts, warming many minds and hearts, recalling soft and cozy sweaters, cheery Christmas cards and letters, toasty scarves on chilly nights, and dear loved ones who hold you tight. Snowflakes tickling little faces, cuddling up by fireplaces, all that's comfy, sweet, and snug, wrapped up in a Christmas hug. Now all the boxcars are aglow with freights brought in long, long ago. It's what you cannot hold or touch, but what makes Christmas mean so much. Laughter, love, and memories, the joy of friends and families, the times together, gifts prepared, stories told, and meals shared. Wrapping gifts and cookies baking, cozy homes and merrymaking, being loved, safe, and secure, and faith in what is strong and sure. The boxcar crew can hardly wait to unload this most treasured freight. Lightly falling to all places, landing upon countless faces, touching people young and old in all locations, warm or cold. From the dream train, high above, the world is wreathed in peace and love. The crew can see it everywhere, neighbors helping, showing care. They all make the season bright as the train rolls through the night, filling earth with Christmas cheer, all season long, until next year. The conductor takes another look from the caboose and checks the book. He sees there's one more drop to make before the children start to wake. Snowflakes fall from reefer cars, mixing with the twinkling stars. Glistening, they dance and sweep towards a world that's sound asleep. Down to earth, upon moonbeams, the last delivery, Christmas dreams. The trip is finished, route complete. The tired crew drifts off to sleep. The sky is clear, the stars are bright. Merry Christmas and good night. The end.